In the quest for streamlined operations and increased profitability, professional service firms often turn to integrated business management software. Scoro is one such powerful solution, designed to bring various aspects of running a professional services business, from sales and project delivery to finance and reporting under one roof. When evaluating Scoro, a common and important question is, what exactly do the Scoro plans include? Understanding the features packed into each tier is crucial for making an informed decision that aligns with your business needs and budget. As a project management expert, I emphasize that Scoro's strength lies in its comprehensive nature, aiming to replace a fragmented tech stack with a single source of truth. The features you get depend on the specific plan you choose, as Scoro offers a tiered pricing model to cater to businesses of varying sizes and complexities. Let's delve into what each plan typically encompasses. Scoro generally structures its plans to build upon one another, meaning each higher tier includes all the features of the previous ones, plus additional, more advanced functionalities. While specific feature sets can evolve, here's a breakdown of what you can generally expect. 1. Core Plan, the foundation for unified operations. The Core Plan is Scoro's entry-level offering, designed for businesses looking to consolidate their data, improve visibility, and get a grip on basic project management and financial tracking. It's about laying the groundwork for more efficient operations. Key inclusions at the core level. Project management fundamentals. This is where you get the essentials for project delivery. It typically includes task lists, task boards like Kanban, Gantt charts, for visual timelines and dependencies, and basic project scheduling. You can set up projects, define tasks, assign them to team members, and track their progress. Contact and customer management. CRM like the Core Plan allows you to manage your contacts and customers, centralizing client information. This isn't a full-fledged sales CRM, but it's crucial for keeping client details organized alongside your projects. Quoting and invoicing. A significant advantage of Scoro's Core Plan over standalone project management tools is its integrated financial capabilities. You can create and send professional quotes to clients and generate invoices directly from projects or track time. This automates a critical part of the quote-to-cash cycle. Bill management and expenses. You can also track incoming bills and manage project-related expenses, giving you a better understanding of overall project costs. Time tracking. Essential for professional services, the Core Plan includes the ability to track billable and non-billable time against tasks and projects. Basic dashboards and reporting. You get access to customizable dashboards and fundamental reports to monitor key metrics like project status, time utilization, and basic financial overviews. Calendar integration. Integration with popular calendars, like Google and Apple Calendar, to help team members stay organized. Who is it for? The Core Plan is ideal for smaller professional service teams, often with a minimum user count, who are still relying heavily on spreadsheets and disparate tools, and want to centralize their basic project, client, and financial data. 2. Growth Plan, enhancing efficiency and profitability. Building on the core features, the Growth Plan introduces functionalities aimed at standardizing workflows, improving cost management, and gaining deeper insights into project profitability. This plan is designed for businesses looking to scale their operations efficiently. Inclusions in addition to core features. Project budgets and templates. This is a major upgrade for project managers. You can create detailed project budgets and compare them against actuals, helping to prevent overservicing and ensure profitability. Project templates become available, allowing you to standardize common project types and kick them off faster. Retainer management. For businesses with recurring client work, the Growth Plan offers tools to manage retainers, track estimated versus use time, and automate recurring invoicing. Recurring tasks and task bundles. Automation of recurring tasks and the ability to group tasks into bundles streamline repetitive work. Role-based labor costing. A more refined approach to cost calculation, allowing for different internal rates based on team roles, leading to more accurate profitability analysis. Time-off management. Integrated time-off tracking helps with accurate resource planning and payroll preparation. Multiple currencies. Essential for businesses operating internationally or with foreign clients. Who is it for? The growth plan suits expanding professional service firms that need more robust financial control over their projects, want to standardize their delivery processes, and are looking for better tools to manage recurring client work and resource costs. 3. Performance plan, proactive planning and forecasting. The performance plan takes Scoro's capabilities to the next level, focusing on advanced planning, forecasting, and strategic decision-making. It's for businesses that need to predict future demand, optimize resource utilization, and forecast revenue and profit more accurately. Inclusions in addition to growth features. Advanced resource planning, planner, and timesheets. This includes sophisticated tools like a visual planner to manage individual and team capacity, detailed timesheets for granular time tracking, and potentially time-locking features for accurate billing. Cost and profit forecasting. Beyond current profitability, this plan enables forecasting future costs and profits, which is critical for strategic business planning. Revenue recognition and forecasting. More advanced accounting capabilities for accurate revenue recognition and future revenue predictions. Sales pipeline and report. While CRM Lite is in core, Performance offers more dedicated sales pipeline management and reporting, allowing for better alignment between sales and project delivery. Team performance reports. Deeper analytics into team utilization and productivity. Individual time allocation. More granular control over how individual team members' time is allocated and tracked. Supplier management. Tools to manage suppliers and purchase orders more effectively. Who is it for? The performance plan is designed for established professional service firms that require sophisticated financial forecasting, meticulous resource management, and comprehensive reporting to drive strategic growth and optimize operational efficiency. 4. Enterprise plan, ultimate control and customization. The enterprise plan is Scoro's top-tier offering, built for larger organizations with complex structures, specific compliance needs, and a demand for extensive customization and control. Inclusions in addition to performance features, company-wide budgets and forecasts, extending budgeting beyond projects to the entire company. Advanced approval flows, customizable approval workflows for financial documents, timesheets, and other critical processes. Multi-account reporting, essential for businesses with multiple legal entities or branches, allowing for consolidated reporting. WIP, work in progress, report. Advanced accounting reports crucial for managing unbilled work,